Hello guys! Today we're going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of investing. Whether you're a complete novice or someone looking to brush up on the basics, this video is for you. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding the basics. Before we jump into the deep end, let's start with the basics. Investing in the stock market involves buying shares of ownership in companies. These shares are traded on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. Additionally, there are other investment options such as bonds and mutual funds, each with its own set of risks and rewards. Step 2. Setting financial goals. Now that you understand the basics, it's time to set some financial goals. Ask yourself, what am I investing for? Is it for retirement, buying a home, or funding my children's education? Setting clear goals will help you determine your investment strategy and risk tolerance. Step 3. Assessing risk tolerance. Every investment comes with its own set of risks. Some investments are low risk but offer lower returns, while others are high risk but offer the potential for higher rewards. It's important to assess your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. Risk and return, remember, go hand in hand. Step 4. Building a diversified portfolio. One of the golden rules of investing is to never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to managing risk and maximizing returns. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions to minimize the impact of market volatility. Step 5. Researching investment options. With thousands of investment options available, it's crucial to do your research. Take the time to understand the fundamentals of each investment. Analyze their historical performance and consider factors like management fees and tax implications. Remember, knowledge is power in the world of investing. Step 6. Creating an investment plan. Now that you've done your research, it's time to put together an investment plan. Outline your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Determine how much you're willing to invest and allocate your assets accordingly. Your investment plan will serve as your roadmap to financial success. Step 7. Monitoring and adjusting your portfolio. Investing is not a set-it-and-forget-it activity. It requires regular monitoring and adjustment. Keep track of your investment's performance and be prepared to make changes as needed. Whether it's rebalancing your portfolio or taking advantage of new opportunities, staying proactive is key. Congratulations! You've taken your first step into the exciting world of investing. Remember, building wealth takes time and patience, but with the right knowledge and strategy, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more valuable content. Hit the like button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Happy investing!